The flush toilet, as we know it today, was invented in the 16th century by Sir John Harington, a British courtier and inventor. Harington's design included a cistern that held water and a valve that released water from the cistern into a bowl. The bowl had a trap that prevented sour gases from entering the room. Harington's invention was called the Ajax, and it was installed in his home and in the homes of a few wealthy friends. However, it wasn't until the late 19th century that the modern flush toilet became widespread. In 1885, Thomas Crapper, a British plumber and businessman, introduced a flush toilet with a siphoning action that used less water than earlier designs. Crapper's design was widely adopted, and he became known as the father of the modern flush toilet. Over the years, improvements were made to the flush toilet, including the introduction of pressure-assisted and dual flush systems, which further increased efficiency and reduced water usage. Today, the flush toilet is a ubiquitous part of modern plumbing, and it is estimated that more than 2 billion people worldwide use them on a daily basis. Here are some of the most common types of toilet flush systems today. Number 1. The gravity flush toilets. Gravity flush toilets, also known as gravity-fed toilets, are a common type of toilet found in many households and public restrooms. As the name suggests, these toilets use gravity to flush waste and toilet paper down into the plumbing system and out of the building. The basic design of a gravity flush toilet includes a water tank located on the back of the toilet that holds a certain amount of water. When the user flushes the toilet, the water from the tank is released through a siphon tube, which creates a vacuum that pulls the waste and water from the bowl down through the trapway and into the plumbing system. One of the advantages of gravity flush toilets is that they are relatively simple in design and do not require electricity or other power sources to operate. They are also generally more affordable than other types of toilets. However, some disadvantages include the fact that they may not be as effective at clearing waste as other types of toilets, and they may use more water per flush. Number 2. Pressure-assisted toilets. Pressure-assisted toilets are a type of toilet that uses compressed air to help push waste and water out of the bowl and into the plumbing system. They are designed to provide a more powerful and efficient flush compared to traditional gravity flush toilets. The basic design of a pressure-assisted toilet includes a water tank that is equipped with a sealed inner chamber. When the toilet is flushed, water from the tank is forced into the inner chamber, which compresses the air inside. This creates a high-pressure burst of air and water that is released into the bowl, which helps to clear waste and prevent clogs. One of the main advantages of pressure-assisted toilets is their ability to clear waste more effectively than gravity flush toilets. They also tend to use less water per flush, which can help reduce water usage and lower utility bills. Additionally, pressure-assisted toilets are often quieter than traditional toilets, since they do not require the loud rush of water that accompanies a gravity flush. Number 3. Double cyclone toilets. Double cyclone toilets, also known as dual flush or tornado flush toilets, are a type of high-efficiency toilet that uses a unique flushing system to improve performance and reduce water usage. The design of a double cyclone toilet involves two nozzles located at the back of the bowl that create a powerful vortex or cyclone to remove waste. When you flush a double cyclone toilet, water is forced through these nozzles and into the bowl at high speed, creating a swirling motion that helps to push waste out of the bowl and into the drain. The dual flush feature allows you to use less water for liquid waste and more water for solid waste, further reducing water consumption. Number 4. Siphon jet toilets. Siphon jet toilets are a type of toilet that use a powerful flush system to clear waste from the bowl. Unlike gravity flush toilets, which rely on the weight of water to move waste down the drain, siphon jet toilets use a combination of water and air pressure to create a strong suction that pulls waste from the bowl. The design of a siphon jet toilet includes a rim with small holes that distribute water around the bowl when flushed. This creates a vortex of water that pulls waste towards the bottom of the bowl. At the same time, a jet located at the bottom of the toilet shoots a large volume of water into the bowl to create the siphon effect. The siphon effect occurs when the volume of water entering the bowl exceeds the volume of air that can escape through the drain. As a result, a vacuum is created that pulls waste from the bowl and sends it down the drain. The force of the siphon effect is powerful enough to clear the bowl of waste in a single flush, making siphon jet toilets a popular choice in commercial and high-traffic settings. Number 5. Tornado toilets. Tornado toilets, also known as cyclone or vortex toilets, are a type of toilet design that uses a powerful flushing system to move waste and water through the bowl in a swirling motion. The design is intended to provide a more effective and efficient flushing mechanism, which can help to reduce water usage and improve overall cleanliness. In a tornado toilet, water is introduced into the bowl at high velocity through strategically placed nozzles, which creates a swirling vortex of water and waste. The centrifugal force of the swirling water helps to push waste down and out of the bowl, while also cleaning the bowl's surface more thoroughly than a traditional flush. Number 6. Vacuum-assisted toilets. Vacuum-assisted toilets are a type of high-efficiency toilet that uses a vacuum tank to remove waste and water from the bowl. Unlike traditional gravity-fed toilets, which rely on the force of gravity to move waste down the drain, vacuum-assisted toilets use air pressure to create a powerful suction that flushes the waste away. The basic components of a vacuum-assisted toilet include a bowl, a vacuum tank, and a flush valve. The bowl is similar to a traditional toilet bowl, but with a slightly different shape and design that is optimized for vacuum flushing. The vacuum tank is a sealed container that holds a vacuum pump and a small amount of water. The flush valve is a control mechanism that regulates the flow of water from the tank into the bowl. When a user flushes the toilet, the flush valve opens and water flows into the bowl. As the water level in the bowl rises, it creates a seal that traps air inside the bowl. The vacuum pump in the tank then removes the air from the bowl, creating a powerful suction that pulls the waste and water out of the bowl and into the drain pipe. Thank you for watching this video on the different types of flush toilets. We hope that you found it informative and helpful in understanding the options that are available to you when it comes to choosing a toilet for your home or business. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please remember to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified of our future videos, and you'll be supporting our efforts to create informative and engaging content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.